Friend, today we're going to make a Iron Man multiplayer project. This is a two-player game, and you need some sprite to make that project. So get started. Open Scratch 2.0. If you open to 1.4 Scratch, you will not be able to make a Scratch project. Okay. When obviously you get their left costumes, draw a sprite of this size. If you do not draw a sprite of this size, you are not be able to make game. This is a gun, and when I receive new message, ATTA attack. Okay, when I receive attack, motion, point direction, #20. Okay, sensing, and wait. Okay, select this sprite and paste there. The direction. Okay. Oh, it's making spot. I'm making mistake. No, I'm going white. Oh, sorry. Wait.
Do you need me before I fade away? Is this a place that I call home to find what I've become? Deep in the dark, I don't need the light. There's a ghost inside me. It all belongs to the other side. We live, we love, we die. As I scream your name. Hello, do you need me before I fade away? Is this a place that I call home to find what I've become? Walk along. Is this a place that I call home to find what I've become? Walk along the path unknown. We live, we love.
Oh, by mistake. Sorry.
this a place that I call home to find what I've been
See here, okay. And then after that completed, you'll take hide again. After we next part,